Welcome all. Our today's topic is software project estimation. This topic is very important for the exam point of view, or it's a technical, or we can say it an numerical part in this project management also. As we have discussed earlier, that if we have a better and accurate estimate about anything, then we can plan well for the future aspects. Okay, as software project management estimates process that is integrate with the software development process can help the projects to establish realistic and credible plans. It is said realistic and credible plans because if you have a proper data or proper estimate of a particular project, then you can plan well. Estimation is the process of finding an estimate or approximation. It means there is no any estimates should be will be there which will be accurate, but it could be approximate. Approx value we can find. The accurate value we will get after completion of our particular project. That will be up and down from the planned one. As estimation determines how much money, effort, resources, and time it will take to build a specific system or product. Okay, and we are or the team or the planner is excited to know in advance about the effort, money, and what kind of resources it is needed to prepare a particular project which that particular team is going to done. And this estimation is based on past data or past experience. As if any team, any agency, any company have an experience to prepare a similar kind of products, then we can take help from the past experience of that particular company. This estimation will be based on available documents and available knowledge. This will be based on assumptions as well or identified risks. Here, the four basic steps in software project planning estimations are: we will estimate these four things, like estimate the size of the development product. Okay, estimate the effort in person month or in person hours. When we will make or prepare some numericals of the on based on this, then we will find in person what is in person, what is person month, what is person hours. The next one is estimate the schedule in calendar months. Schedules, we can say time as well, how much time it will take to complete this particular project. Estimate the project cost in agreed currency. Okay, this is agreed. Agreed. Okay, so this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.